Welcome to Programming a God. Today we will be solving the ATM queue problem from Google Kickstart Round F. According to the problem statement, a person can withdraw X amount of cash from an ATM at a time. If the amount is greater than X, then he needs to visit the ATM multiple times. There is a queue of N people who want to withdraw money from the ATM. After withdrawing money from the ATM once, if the person wants to withdraw again, then he needs to go to the end of the queue and wait for his turn. If a person withdraws the total amount of money that he needs, then he leaves the queue. We need to print the order in which people will leave the queue. The format and constraints are as shown. Let's look at an example. The value of N is 3 and X is also 3. The amount of money to be withdrawn is as shown. Let's look at how the transactions will take place. The first person at index 1 will be able to withdraw the full amount that he needs, which is 2, and will leave. The second person will be able to withdraw 3 out of 7 and will need to stay in the queue. The third person will also need to stay in the queue. Now the second person will make another transaction but cannot withdraw the full amount, which is 4, and will stay. The third person will be able to withdraw the amount this time and will leave. The second person will also be able to withdraw the full amount this time and will also leave. So the order of leaving is 1, 3 and 2, and that's our answer. To solve this problem we require two things. First is the number of times a person visits the ATM to withdraw the full amount. Second is the index of the person. So first we will get the number of times the person visits the ATM using modulo and division. Now we store this visits and index as a vector in a multiset. The multiset will sort the vectors first on the basis of number of visits, then on the basis of index. So we will get our answer, and the only thing we need to do is print the indexes. First step. If amount is less than X, then visits is 1. If the amount is greater than X, then check the modulo of amount and X. If it is 0, then visits will be division of amount and X. If it is not 0, then visits will be 1 plus division of amount and X. Second step. Insert the values as a vector into the multiset. Last step. Loop through the multiset and print the index. Next, we have provided the C++ code for this problem. Please subscribe to support the channel.